Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss the chapter from R.S. Agarwal, and you see here we are doing the chapters from R.S. Agarwal. This is for class 7. 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 And the name of the chapter is Profit and Loss. Profit and Loss. Profit and Loss. And this is from R.S. Agarwal. R.S. Agarwal. And today we will solve question number 12. First of all, we write the question. After that, we will solve the question. Right? Let us find what is given in question number 12. Here you can see that in question number 12 we have the question. First of all, I am writing the question. After that, we will solve the question. Here you see that question number 12, it is given as question number 12, writing the question number 12. After that, we will solve the question. Okay. Here you see the question number 12 is now we'll write the question number 12. Here it is given that Binay sold a plot for rupees 1,43,000. Here the question, I am writing the question first. After that, we will solve the problem. Binay sold a plot of land for rupees 1 lakh, for rupees 1,43,000, gaining 4%, gaining 4%, right? Gaining 4%. Now the question is, for how much? For how much did he purchase a plot? Did he purchase a plot? That is the question, right? Let us solve in this way. Solution. First, what is given? Selling price is given. Selling price of the land. Selling price of the land is given as rupees 1,43,000. And here you see gain is given as 4%. We have to find the cost price of the plot. Therefore, first we will write the formula. After that, we will find the cost price. Cost price of the land is equal to, first we write the formula. After that, we will find the answer. Cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent into selling price. This is the formula for finding the cost price of the land, right? Let us find how much we are getting. We are getting 100 by 100. What is the gain? 4%, that is 4 into selling price. What is selling price? 1,43,000, right? Therefore, getting is here as 100 by 104 into 1,43,000, right? Now we'll find that 100 by 104, that means you have to divide this number 1,43,000 by the number 104. 104, we are dividing this number. First we will divide by 1, it is 104. You subtract this one, it is 9, 3, it is 0, right? Again, if you divide it by 3, that is 3 4 is 12 and 3 1 is 3. If you subtract this one, it will be 8, 7, and this 0 will be there, 1780. And if you divide it again by 7, 4 7 is 28, 7 is 7. If you subtract this one, you will get 2, 2 3, 5, and this is 0, right? If you again divide it by 5, right? 104 by 5, 4 5 is 20, 5 1 is 5, right? So we are getting this number 1375. Therefore, this is 1, and this number will be 1, 3, 7, and 5. Therefore, we are getting the number 137,500. That is 1,37,500, right? So I can write for how much did he purchase a plot. Therefore, the answer will be he purchased a plot. He purchased a plot at rupees 1,37,500. Therefore, purchase the land at rupees 1 lakh. Therefore, purchase the plot at the rate of rupees 1,37,500. And this is our answer, right? In this way, we have to solve all the problem, right? Now we'll go to the next problem, that is question number 13. Let us see what is given in question number 13. In question number 13, we have the question. We're writing only the question here. Question number 13. Question number 13. This is for class 7. This is for class 7. Now question number 13, right? Now we'll solve question number 13. Let us see what is question number 13. After that we'll solve this one. The question number 13 is given as, this is question number 13. Question number 13. You see here, question number 13 is, John sold his TV set. John sold his TV set. His TV set for rupees 14,100, losing 6%, losing 6%, losing 6%, right? For how much? For how much? For how much did he purchase it? Did he purchase it? Did he purchase it? Right? Now let's solve this one. This is the solution. Now John sold his TV set for rupees 14,100, losing 6%. Therefore, selling price of the TV is equal to rupees 14,100, and loss is given as loss is equal to 6%. They will find the cost price. To note the formula for cost price is equal to, the formula for cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. This is the formula to finding the cost price. Therefore, we are getting 100 divided by 100 minus 6, and selling price is into 14,100, right? So we are getting the number 100. 100 minus 6 is 94 into 14,100. 100 by 94 by 14,100, right? Now I'll divide this number, that is 14,100 by the number 94, right? First we'll divide this number 14,100 by the number 94. That is 1, it is 94. You subtract this one, 4, 4, 7, 11, 4, it is 0, right? 1, 4, 7, 0. If again divide it by 5, that is 94 into 5, 4 5 is 20, 5 is 45, 46, 47, 470, 470, and this 0 will come down, that is 0, it is 0, right? Therefore, getting this number, it is 1, and it is got the number 150. Therefore, the number is 15000, 15,000. Here you see that the cost price we got is 15,000. Therefore, you can say that for how much did he purchase it? Therefore he purchased it at rupees 15,000, and that is our answer, right? In this way you can solve all the problem. Now we'll solve the next question, that is question number 14. Let us write the question number 14. After that we are going to solve this question. Question number 14. Question number 14. We are solving this question number 14. First we'll see what is given in question number 14. On selling a bed, on selling a bed, on selling a bed for rupees 10,800. 10,800. A carpenter losses. A carpenter losses. A carpenter losses 10%. 10%. The question is, for what amount? For what amount? For what amount should he sell it? Should he sell it? Should he sell it to gain 5%? To gain 5%. Right? How to solve this one? Actually, first we have to find the cost price. After that, we can find for what amount should we sell it to gain 5%. Right? Now, this is the question, and we are solving this question. That is, selling price of the bed. Selling price of the bed. Selling price of the bed is equal to rupees 10,800. And loss is 10%. Loss is equal to 10%. We know the cost formula for cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. Therefore, we'll put the value. It is 100 divided by 100 minus 10. And selling price is into 10,800. Therefore, we are getting the value 100. 100 minus 10 is 90 into 10800. Right? This zero will cut. Right? And dividing by 9, 9 1 is 9. 9 1 is 9, 18, 9 2 is 18, 0 1 20. Therefore, getting the value 1230, 123, right? Therefore, here we find that the cost price is rupees 12,000. Here we find, therefore, cost price is equal to rupees 12,000. And we have to gain, if gain is 5%, gain is equal to 5%. We also know the formula for selling price. The formula for selling price is The formula for selling price is 100 plus gain percent. 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into cost price. This is the formula into cost price. Right? Therefore, we are getting the value 100 plus gain is 5% by 100 into cost price is rupees 12,000. Therefore, we are getting the value 105 by 100 into 12,000. Right? So this zero will cut, this zero will cut. Right? That is why to multiply 105 with 120. First, I am multiplying 105 with 12. 2 5 is 10, carry 1, it is 0. 2 1 is 2, 5 is 5, 0, 1, 0, 6, 2, 1. That is, we are getting 12,600. Right? 12,000. We are getting 12,600. Therefore, the question is, for what amount should we sell it to gain 5%? Therefore, the answer is, therefore, he should sell it. He should sell it at rupees 12,600 to gain 5%. To gain 5%, and that is the answer, right? In this way we have to solve all the question. Now we'll go to question number 15. Let's see what is question number 15 is given. Now we are going to the next question, and that is question number 15, right? We are going to question number 15. Now we'll go to question number 15. Let us see what is given in question number 15. Question number 15 is given here as on selling an almirah. Question number 15. Right? On selling an almirah, on selling an almirah for rupees 20,350, a man gained 10%. A man gain 10%. On selling an almirah for rupees 20,350, a man gain 10%. What percent? The question is, what percent? What percent does he gain? What percent does he gain on selling the same? On selling the same for rupees 19,610. That is the question. On selling an almirah for rupees 20,050, man gains 10%. For what percent does he gain on selling the same for rupees 19,610? Right? Actually, we have to find the cost price. That is our aim, right? Let us first find the cost price, right? Here it is solution. You are solving this. This is the solution. Here selling price is given at rupees 20,350. What is the gain percent? Gain is 10%. Gain is equal to 10%. And we know the formula for cost price. The formula for cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent, 100 plus gain percent into selling price. This is the formula to finding the cost price. Therefore, we are getting 100 divided by 100 plus 10, and selling price is rupees 20,350. Therefore, we are getting the number 100 by 110 into 20,350. This zero will cut, and we are dividing by 11. That is 11 1 ja 11, 93, 8 11 ja 88, 5 11 ja 55. That means we are getting the number 18,500. Therefore, the cost price is, again we are getting 18,500, right? Now we'll find when selling price is equal to rupees 19,610, right? Selling price is 19,610, and cost price we get here, cost price is equal to rupees 18,500. 500, 18,500. Therefore, you know that the gain is equal to selling price minus cost price, right? The selling price is 19,610 minus 18,500. Therefore, we have to subtract this number and we will get the answer. That is, it is 19,610 minus 18,500. You subtract this one, that is 0, this is 1, 516, 9. Therefore, we are getting the number as rupees 1,110. This is the gain. Actually, we have to find the gain percent, right? We know that gain percent is equal to, we apply the formula here, that is gain percent is equal to gain divided by cost price into 100%, right? Therefore, what is the meaning of gain? The value of gain is 1,110. My cost price is 18,500 and into 100%, into 100%. This is our gain percent, right? Let us find what is the value of this gain percent, right? Let us find it. This 0 and this 0 will cut, this 0 and this 0 will cut, right? Let us divide it by 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 7 is 35. Dividing by 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 5 2 is 10, 11, 5 2 is 10. That is, we are getting 222 by 37. Now you have to divide this 222 with the number 37. If you divide 37, let us divide it by 6. 6 is 42. 6 is 80, 90, 22, 22. It is dividing by 6 actually. 222. Therefore, this is 1 and this is, we are getting 6. That is, it is getting 6%, right? Therefore, at what percent does it gain on selling the same for rupees 90,610? That is, here you gain, find the gain percent as 6%, right? This is our answer. In this way, we have to solve all the problem. Let us repeat once again. On selling an almirah for rupees 20,350, a man gained 10%. What percent does he gain on selling the same for rupees 19,610? Actually, first we have to find the cost price. Selling price is given, gain is given. Therefore, cost price is rupees 18,500. Selling price is 19,610. Cost price is this. Therefore, get the gain as rupees 1,110. And we know that gain percent is equal to gain by cost price into 100%. And that's why you get, after calculation, you get the value as 6%, and that is our answer. Now we'll go to the next question, that is question number 16, right? Let us find what is given in question number 16. We are going to the next question, that is question number 16. You see here, we are going to the question number 16. Question number 16. Question number 16, on selling a fan. On selling a fan. On selling a fan for rupees, on selling a fan for rupees 4,700, a shopkeeper losses, a shopkeeper 6%. The question is, at what price must he sell? At what price? At what price? must he sell to gain 6%? To gain 6%. That is the question, right? How to solve this one? That is our question. What is given for C? It is given that on selling a fan for rupees 4,700, a shopkeeper loses 6%, and what price must he sell to gain 6%, right? Therefore, we know that it is selling price is given. Selling price is equal to rupees 4,700, and loss is equal to 6%. Loss is equal to 6%. We know that the formula for cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. This is the formula to find the cost price. Therefore, we are getting 100 divided by 100 minus 6 into selling price is 4700, and we are getting the value as 100 minus 6 is 94 into 4700, right? We are getting the 100 by 94 into 4700, right? Let's find what we are getting. So actually we have to divide this number, that is 4700. We will divide 4700 by the number 94, okay? That is 5. 94 divided into 5, 5 4 is 22, here 0, 1 is 45, 46, 47, that is 470. Subtracting this one, having 0 here, that means it will be 0 here, it will be 0 here, right? That is 50. That is, it is 1 and it will be 50. That means we are getting the number 5, 1, 2, 3 zeros. That is, cost price is rupees 5,000, right? Now we are finding. Now cost price is equal to rupees 5,000, right? And what is the gain? Gain is 6%. Gain is equal to 6%. That means you have to find the selling price, right? Now we know the formula for selling price also. The formula for selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into cost price. That is the formula for finding the selling price, right? Now you see here what we are getting. We are getting here as 100 plus what is the gain? 6%, that is 6 divided by 100. And what is the cost price? Cost price is 5,000. This is cost price is 5,000. Therefore, getting 106 by 100 into 5, 1, 2, 3. This 0 will cut, this 0 will cut. Therefore, we have to multiply 106 with 5. Multiply 106 with 5. 5 is 30, 5 is 5, and there is 1 0 more, that is 5,300. Therefore, the selling price is 5,300. The question is, at what price must he sell to gain 6%? He must sell. Therefore, the answer is he must sell at rupees 5,300 to gain 6%. And that is our answer. Actually, you have to find the formula first. After that, we'll put the formula and we'll get the answer, right? Now we are going to the question number 17. Let us see what is given in question number 17. Now we are going to the next question, that is question number 17. Here is the question number 17. This is question number 17. Let us write what is given in question number 17, right? Kamal sold 2 scooters Command sold 2 scooters for rupees 19,1800 each, gaining 10%, gaining 10% on the one and losing 10% and losing 10% on the other. Find gain or loss percent. Find gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. Whole transaction. That is the question. Now, how to solve this one? Let us find out. Actually, first of all, we have to find the cost price, right? Let us find selling price. Selling price is given as rupees 19,800, and this is the first scooter, and gain is 10%. Gain is equal to 10%. Therefore, we have to first find the cost price. The formula for finding cost price is 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent into selling price. This is the formula for finding the cost price. There is 100 plus 100 plus 10 is 110, and selling price is 19,800. Therefore, getting this 0 and this 0 will cut. 11 1 ja 11, 8 11 ja 8, 0. That is, we are getting 18,000. That means cost price is 18,000 for one scooters, right? Therefore, cost price of 2 scooters. We find the cost price of 2 scooters, right? That is, this is the cost price, that is 18,000, right? This is the for first scooter. This is for first scooter, and for second scooter, selling price is equal to 19,800, and loss is 10%. Loss is equal to 10%. We put the formula here, same as that. Cost price equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent minus 10, and into 90,800 into selling price is 90,800. We'll go find the cost price of this one, and let us find what is the cost price, right? That is, we are getting 100 minus 10 is 90 into 19,800, right? Therefore, we are getting this 0 will cut. 9 2 ja 18, 9 2 ja 18, 0. That is, we are getting 22,000 into 3 22,000, right? Therefore total cost price, now the third section will be total cost price. Total cost price is equal to rupees this one plus this one, right? Rupees 18,000 plus 22,000. Then we are getting the total cost price as rupees 40,000. 40,000 total cost price. And what is the total selling price? Total selling price is equal to 19,800 into 2. That is the total selling price. Now if you multiply it by 19,800 into 2, 200, 200, 216, carry 1 here 0, 98 to 9109, 3, 39,600. That is rupees 39,600, right? That is 39,600, right? Now we'll find the, since the cost price is greater than selling price, therefore there will be loss. Loss we are getting cost price minus selling price. Then we will get the value as 40,000 minus 39,600. That is a loss of rupees 400, right? Actually find the loss percent, therefore we put the formula, right? Here you find the formula, that is if we want to find the loss percent, therefore loss 400 by cost price, that is 40,000 into 100%, right? Therefore we are getting this 0, this will cut, this 0, this will cut, this 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. That is a great loss of 1%. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. Therefore the loss is 1% on the whole transaction, on the whole transaction, whole transaction. Now we'll find the question number 18. Let us find the question number 18 and solve question number 18. Now here you see question number 18 is question number 18. A man buys an article for rupees 650 and sell it to B at a profit of 20%. B sell it to C at a loss of 20%. What does She pay for it. She pay for it. Pay for it. That is the question. We are solving this question in this way, that now we'll solve this question in this way. Demand buys in for an article, that is cost price is given. Cost price is equal to rupees 650 and profit is 20%. Profit is equal to 20%. Therefore, we have to find the selling price. The formula for selling price is, we know that formula for selling price is $100 plus profit percent divided by 100 into cost price. That is the formula for selling price, that is 100 plus 20 by 100 and cost price is 650. Therefore, we are getting the value of 120 divided by 100 into 650. This 0, this will cut, and this 0, this will cut. That is, we are getting 65 into 12, 2 5 are 10, 6 12 and 30, 1 5, 6 and 6, 780. 780, right? Now selling price is this one, B sell it to C. Now selling price is equal to rupees 780 and at a loss of 20%, loss is equal to 20%. Therefore, find the cost price, and the formula for cost price is $100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. This is the formula for finding cost price, is that 100 divided by 100 minus loss is 20% into selling price. We are getting the value as 100 by 80 into selling price is 780. Right, selling price is 780. Therefore, we are getting this 0, this 0 will cut, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 9 is 18, here 2 2 is 4, it is 50, 22, 25. That is 39 multiplied by 25. 5 is 45, 3 5 is 15, 4 19, 9 is 18, carry 1, it is 8, 3 6 plus 1 7, it is 5, 930. Here selling price is 780. First one selling 780 and loss is 20%. Therefore cost price equal to 100. We are doing it again. Let us find how much we are getting. It is 100 by 100 minus 20, that is 80. 80 and the selling price is 780. 780. Then how much we are getting? This zero will cut. If we divide it by 2, it is 4. 2, 3 is 6. Two 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 9 is 18, 4 25 is 100 and 39 by 25, multiply it again, 39 with 25, 5 9 is 45, 3 is 15, 4 19, 9 is 18, 3 is 6 plus 1 7. Let us find it. This one is wrong. Let us find this way, that is, it is find 780 is cost and loss is 20%, right? Selling price is actually this is the selling price of A and that is cost price for B, right? Actually this is cost price. Here that is a man sell it to B. This is selling price for B and B sells it to C. That means this is cost price of C. This is cost price actually. Okay. And this is cost price. This is cost price of C. Okay, right. This is cost price of C. This is cost price 780 and loss is 20%. Now we'll find the selling price. Selling price. Now selling price we find it by the formula when $100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into cost price. Therefore we are getting this value 100 minus loss is 20 by 100 into cost price is 780, right? Therefore we are getting this one as 80 into 100 into 780. This 0 this will cut, this 0 this will cut, that we are getting 78. 8 8 just 64, 6 is 48, 48 49 50, 54, 56, 56 plus 6, 624, right? That we are getting 624. We are getting 624, 624, 624. This is the selling price of it. That means she buys it for rupees 624. Therefore, she pays for an article at rupees 624, 624, and that is the answer, right? Again, you see here, a man buys an article for rupees 650 and sell it to B at a profit of 20%. B sell it to C at a loss of 20%. What does C pay for it? That means if this is selling price and this is loss of profit of 20%, selling price is 780 and this selling price is the cost price of B, right? 780, loss is 20%. Therefore, the selling price is 624. Therefore, C pays rupees 624, right? That is our answer. Thank you everybody for watching this video.